Right, this is the layman's lockpicker, my American 1100 series green belt gutting video. Right, I'm going to take out the retaining screw from inside the shackle. And take out the retaining piece from the padlock itself. So now we take the core itself from outside of the shackle body and put the shackle body there. We get the C-clip removal tool, and the hint in the title, where you use it to remove the C-clip from the cylinder of the 1100, hopefully without pinging it across the fucking room, because the plug is so unnecessarily small on the 1100s. The actual the C-clip tool, sorry, doesn't work as it's supposed to, which is a bit of a pain in the ass, but there we go. There we go. So we take the C-clip then off the back of the plug. There we go. And put that there. Now we take the key and we insert the key into the plug and we turn it. We then get a plug follower, which, because as I say, the American series padlocks, the plugs are unnecessarily thin and small, and yeah, the normal plug followers like these ones won't work. So I'm using the professional HPC AAA battery as a plug follower on this occasion. So all we do is we line that up and we push that straight through, and that follows through wonderfully. Now we then put that on there and we dump the key pins out. Now, as you see, there's only 5 of the 6 chambers here that are actually populated. So if we dump these out, 1, oh shit, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, if I can find my tweezers, if I spin these around so they're all the right way up again, and I will now give you a close-up of the key pins from inside. We have the serrated in every chamber key pins, and we have this lovely CNC'd pinning, well, the wooden prototype pinning tray, which is thanks to Evil Stash off the Discord. I've had it CNC'd, I say out of wood, which I'm eventually going to have CNC'd out of aluminium, which is going to look the bollocks. So yeah, anyway, that's disassembling the 1100. Bear with me. Including, as I say, all of the serrated key pins that are that make these things such a bastard to pick. If I can replace the camera back to where it was, or at least roughly to where it was. There we go. And yeah, you'll notice on the 1100s, if I can show you out, on the cores, you'll see there's a little lip here, on the one side of the core that's not on the other. That's what actually lines up with the edge of the plug itself. So obviously when you reassemble these things, you have to make sure that they are the right way around, because if you put it in the wrong way, then the the actuator, or the thing on the back of the plug, won't actually interact properly with the actuator on the padlock, and the whole lock won't work. So hang on, if I just put the key pins back into the plug here, if we put 5 in, hang on, 5 in, put 4, put 4 in, oh bollocks, put 4 into 4th chamber, right. Put 3 into the 3rd. 2 into the 2nd. 1 into the 1st. Right. And if you replace then the key, you'll notice then that all of those key pins then line up perfectly with the top of the cylinder. Then again, I say, making sure that the lip's on the right side. You simply push the plug follower, making sure that it's always in contact with the follower. You push the plug straight back through. And you turn it back upright, then make sure that you put your thumb on the edge of the cylinder here, because otherwise when you pull the key out, the whole thing will come out with it, which obviously you don't want. You then take the C-clip, replace the C-clip back onto the back of the lock, put the whole core back into the padlock itself, and then just replace the retaining caps. And once they're back in, you then put the screw back into the padlock and retighten that screw, lock it back up, put the key back in, and the key works nicely. So that's me gutting and reassembling this lovely American 1100.